baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
please.
Let me hear you say,
please.
Get on the floor if you got that booty. What is so bad? What is so dumb? What is so bad? What is so dumb? What is so bad? What is so dumb? What is so bad? So bad, so bad, so bad, so bad, so bad.
And that's it, over on
so bad. What? So bad.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I got this whole entire look. This is my Spanish mommy go-to Insta slay. Guys, I don't have earrings. So this is like my go-to look when I want to slay for IG, you guys. It's a little bit more than like my everyday makeup. Like it's a little bit more to it for the little extraness. And I also did get this new wig in the mail today, and the whole vibe that I was going for was like a Spanish mommy vibe. If you guys don't know, yes, I am Puerto Rican. I know there's a lot of new bitches here. Okay? Okay. I haven't had curly hair in a minute, so I'm like, ooh, girl. And I don't know if you guys know, but I'm going to Miami next week. So my mind right now is curly, beachy, like that's where my mind is right now. So I just thought, you know, I have to show you guys this curly hair slay. So if you guys do enjoy this look, you already know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and definitely before you go, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to be down with the all this hair, girl, all this hair. If you guys want to be down with the Prima Donna Nation, hit that button for your girl. Turn on your notifications. Okay. It's about that time to slay for IG. Alright, so starting with hair from Beaufox, you guys, they sent me a 100% human hair curly wig. I will leave all the details to this wig down in the description box. So this is what the unboxing looked like, and it also came with a cute little water bottle, which is so helpful, especially for curly hair. So I had to, like, you know, get into the vibe of this hair because I haven't worked with curly hair in a minute. So first you want to shake her out, fluff her out. You guys, this hair was so soft and so natural looking. It wasn't like a Jerry curly type of like curly hair. It was more of like a natural, like, I don't know how to describe it, but it was so nice. This is the cap construction, and it also has an elastic band in the back. Not an elastic band, but the adjustable strap. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, so we're gonna pull out Becky. Yes, Becky G, come through. So she's gonna try on the wig for us and help us out real quick. And off rip, you guys, I noticed that this wig had mad baby hairs, and I don't know how I was really feeling about that. If you guys like a lot of baby hairs, if you guys really don't know how to fuck with the lace, then leave the baby hairs because they gonna save you, girl. But me, I don't like all that baby hair, so I decided to grab my tweezers. And you guys know I like to make my hairline a lot more natural than what this is. So yeah, and then I decided that we needed to thin out those baby hairs because they was a bit too much for me. Like, they were giving me bangs instead of baby hairs, so I had to thin those out real quick. Alright, you guys, so moment of truth. When I am gonna slay for IG, I really have the time, do not want to bleach the knots on every single wig. So I'm gonna show you guys a lazy way to get away with bleach knots. So you're gonna go ahead and take your wig and put it inside out so that way you can see the lace. You want to go ahead and get a really stiff like foundation brush. So you want it to be super dense. Then you want to take a cheap powder. The cheaper the better, because we are going to be using this shit up. So that's why I went with my LA Girl one. And you just want to pack the powder onto the lace where like you're going to make your part. So I like to do it on the whole entire front, and you just want to keep pushing in the powder. That way you can like hide those black knots. So as you guys can see, I'm digging into that powder like, bitch. We are packing that shit on for dear life because you want it to really cover those black dots. So like I said, this is a easier way than doing the whole bleach and developer and all of that, bitch. I don't got time for that when I'm trying to just slay for IG. I'm trying to do this shit quick. So yeah, for all my beginners out there, this is another option, because you know how it's come through. You know, we're options, bitch. I'm hyped because it actually looks so fucking good. So now you're gonna go ahead and take the freeze spray from Got To Be, and I like to just like freeze the powder in place, and then I go in with like one more layer. And now you're gonna flip the wig over, and you're gonna see there's gonna be so much excess powder on the hair, but just get a water bottle and it's gonna go away, no problem. And now you're gonna see that it looks more like scalp. You're not gonna see all those black little knots. So this is a quick little trick, you guys. I'm dumb hype because it looks fab. Rule number 1 to getting ready for Instagram, bitch. Put on Nicki Minaj and tell yourself in the mirror you are that bitch. Even though I look crazy, okay? This is why I wear wigs, because half the time, bitch, I don't want to deal with my hair. It is not cute most of the time of my life. So now that the wig is on our head, there's still excess powder and the curls look crazy at this point because we just took her out of the box. I didn't wash it or anything. So I just off camera went ahead and glued her on my head real quick. And now I am going to take that spray bottle with some water and just wet the curls. I'm not using any product or anything, you guys. I am going to just take a little bit of mousse by like the top of my head so I could get it nice and flat. But throughout the rest of the hair, I did not use any product. So these are the curls just wet, and I am going to let them air dry. And because they were in a package, you got to like remember they're not going to be as on fleek. So the water is just going to bring it back to life. You could add curly product if you want to, but I am doing a hair review, so I want to see what the curls are giving on their own. And I must say that these curls looked so nice. They were not a frizzy hot mess when they air dried, so I really like that. Oh, by the way, my lace was lifting right there, bitch. Let's get it together, Les. Like, come on. So yeah, as you guys can see, the curls are nice and defined, and they're not like super tight. They're nice and loose, and I really like this. The hair is so shiny, and I feel like if I had super long hair, this is what my natural hair would look like. And it low-key made me want to like dye my hair black. A shout out to my dad's boxers. You guys, who else be going into their parents' drawer and be stealing pajamas? Like, y'all be having my mom's t-shirts as batas, my dad's underwears as shorts, bitch. Listen. So now I'm just gonna really quickly beat my face because I want to show you guys my cute little IG look, like my go-to slay. So I have all my makeup in a makeup bag because this is like a makeup routine that I kind of do on a daily, but when I am taking photos, I kind of just like up it up a notch. So I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors Desi Katie palette, and I'm gonna use this one shade. You guys, I love this fucking shade. I cannot stop using it. It's like a peachy neutral. Like, if you have this palette, you know, like, the shade is mad fire. So I actually put this all over my crease and all over my lid, and I just like blow it out. And then I'm gonna take that dark brown and I'm gonna kind of like use this as like a liner. I actually got this technique from like Kylie Jenner. Her everyday makeup routine is just like a natural eyeshadow eyeliner look, so I really like that right now in my lifetime. You know, I'm like not into wing liners or nothing dramatic. I've been doing like really soft looks beside the crazy ass colorful shit. But anyway, so that's all I'm doing to the eyes, and then you want to pop on some dramatic ass lashes, bitch. IG kind of like tones everything down, so you want to up everything. So the dramatic lashes. Oh, and by the way, I just skipped my whole foundation routine because you guys seen me do my foundation a billion times, and I am actually going to do an updated full coverage routine. So go ahead and grab your go-to face products. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab black eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline, and this is what's actually gonna make it look like a look. So you just take that brown eyeshadow that's in the palette and then smoke out that black liner, and bitch, it just went from a whack look, well, not whack, but it went from basic to like, ooh bitch, ooh. So yes, another tip for IG looks is I like to go with the most blinding highlight that I own. This one is the Amrezy Anastasia highlight, and it's so chromy. I don't know why I keep fucking saying chromy because that's not even a word, but it's like so metallic-y, and when it photographs, it looks so poppin'. So when I do like IG makeup, like I kind of like overdo the highlight because, like I said, photographs kind of like tone everything down. So I don't want to face tune for the fucking gods. I want to have that effect in my photos as well. So even though it may be a bit much in person, for photos it's gonna look like how you actually want it to look. I also like to go over my eyebrows at the end of my routine to just darken up a bit, and then I set my face with my Dewy Mist from Milani because I want to look so glowy. So for lips, I am going to take a brown liner. This is not my everyday liner, but like for IG slay, like I said, everything looks lighter. Bitch, my back be hurting, alright? Comment down below if you be having back problems like your girl, because girl, I'll be dying. But anyway, brown liner is the wave right now. If you guys are not on brown liner, bitch, what is you doing? So I had to go in my bag and grab my Honey Love because this is the best nude on the market still. In my opinion, this is the best nude for me. So yeah, I grabbed my Honey Love, and then this is what the lip looks like matte. Some days I do leave it matte, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of just depends on like how I'm feeling that day. But since I did get like more filler in my lips, you guys, I've been loving a gloss. So I've been ODing with the Kylie gloss, bitch. Ever since Valentine's Day that I got this gloss, I've been like living for this gloss. Yo, this Kylie gloss be really having me popping though. Like, I am so ready to fucking slay. So this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. My go-to IG look. I love this look right now. And yeah, once you guys finish your hair and your makeup, you're ready to slay IG. Go ahead and grab your phone. I use my phone for my pictures, even though it takes me a million years. Yes, I am that bitch that takes 50 selfies before I even think about liking one. So yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next. And until next time, guys, bye.